Sonny Signage by Mr. Foamer. From our 49,000 square foot facility in South Florida, we have state-of-the-art sign manufacturing technology to plan, concept, design, and produce. Signs that are crafted with care and custom designed to positively represent car wash businesses around the world. At Mr. Foamer, it all starts with our sales and design teams. We work with customers to create a plan that's best for your location. Our experts evaluate your car wash site and make recommendations to complement your property and maximize the value of your signage to enhance the customer experience. Then our in-house designers work with you to create custom artwork with your branding for all areas of your car wash. Our quality custom signage reflects each client's unique vision to ensure you have a look that is all your own. Once approved, we move into printing. The machines we use are modern marvels, producing eye-popping visuals from minute details to large-scale wow factor, all using material that stands up to the rigors of the car wash business. After printing, we give the signs their perfect shape. Our CNC technology produces custom profiles and clean lines. Then we protect it by applying a metal frame molded specifically to your sign. Next, we apply custom wiring and lighting technology on and within the sign itself. Few things pack a punch like a perfectly lit tunnel, and our signs are true showstoppers that add value for your customers. Once the sign is finished, we have to get it to you safely. And because your signs are unlike anyone else's, we create custom boxes to house your signs and ship them to you safely for installation. At Mr. Foamer, we are a resource for our clients and strive to build long-term relationships. Your data and information is saved to make it easy to change, update, or redesign signs based on your business needs. Whether you need one sign or hundreds, it's all waiting for you at Sonny Signage by Mr. Foamer.